Are you tired of breaking center caps when you're off-roading your side-by-side? Well, I'm Alan with Wicked Pecker Offroad, and I have the solution. So right here, we have center caps that fit System 3 bead lock wheels. This is the stock center cap. This is our center cap for an X3. We also have them that fit razors, but the center cap is half as thick and it bolts on in 4 places with stainless steel screws to the 4 places on the wheel, where the stock caps only have 2 and the other are false heads. So this center cap is bolted more securely, looks really cool, and doesn't stick out as far, so you don't have to worry about hitting rocks. We also have a center cap that fits the stock wheels. There is a anchor that you tap into the hub, and where the stock caps pop in, snap in, these actually bolt in. So you put the anchors in the hubs, and then you have these stainless steel screws that screw them in there. You can do it without even taking the wheels off the machine. Pop the old center cap out, tap the anchors in, screw these on. You don't have to worry about them falling off on the trail. So if it's any of the stock X3s, we are going to be bringing them in for other Can-Ams as well. If you want to see any of these products, go to our website at wickedpeckeroffroad.com, or you can visit us on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook.